Hey guys, welcome to the Atlantic City Air Show. So I understand you're from Connecticut. Tell us a little bit about your show.
We started as a show with my son, who was 15 years old at the time. About years later, after putting it aside, after the youngest was born, I brought it back out. My husband and I reinvested our landscape company money and turned it into a business, an actual radio station. We've
Nice.
been on for 3 years. And just as my son deployed, we brought it back up. And now we have soldiers from all over the world.
Yeah, most of the reason we did it was for the soldiers overseas that could get it.
Oh, that's
They could
awesome.
send messages to their loved ones through us. We would air it, and then they would hear it over there.
We
in
work with
Afghanistan.
Karen with Euro Boxes.
Okay.
Thanksgiving night down at the VFW in New Britain as a way of healing for my family. We go down and we wrap presents and boxes and ship them all to the deployed soldiers.
Wow. Well, I was telling you about our grand opening. We're also doing a Wounded Warriors project on September 30th out in Trenton. So I can keep you posted on that too if you'd like to come out. But tell us how we can find you.
You can go on www.wmfrfortressradio.com. We're also known as metalfortressradio.com.
Is that Fortress? F-O-R-T-R-E-S-S?
It
Okay.
didn't even dawn on me when I picked the Fortress name.
That's great. I love it.
If you're in Connecticut, you get us on 91.7 FM.
Great. That's
Home of the
perfect.
Huskies, 91.7.
Well, we're glad you're here with us at the Air Show. This is Ava from 4A Star, and we will talk with you guys again soon.
Thanks for
Crank it
watching.
up.